Tell me a story, Carly.
The three little bears woke up and the mommy bear made some breakfast and it was too hot and they took the short walk and Goldilocks comes in their house, ate the daddy's food, then the mommy's food, then the baby's food. The baby's food was perfect, and she sat on daddy's chair and mommy's chair and baby chair. The baby chair was too perfect, and then it slept in the daddy chair, daddy bed and mommy bed and baby bed, and the baby bed was too perfect. And she slept in the bed, and the bears come home, and the bears got mad at Goldilocks, and they went upstairs to look at the chairs and went up all the way up to look at the bed, and the baby bed had a girl, its name is Goldilocks, and the Goldilocks ran away with snowshoes, and the bear scared her away forever. And if it comes in again, they're going to scare it away again. The end.
The end. Good job.